everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is SUNMI Yi. I can't get this room to cool enough, so my pits are sweaty. It is 105 where I live right now, and for some reason the room that I use to film, it seems to not get cool enough. So anyways, I'm going to be doing a review on Fabfitfun. I don't know, it's such a tongue twister. So I got this a few days ago and I've been meaning to do a unboxing with you guys, and the reason why I already opened it but I haven't seen the inside. Anyways, I bought it because I saw some reviews and it seemed like you get a lot of products. It is originally $49.99, but I got, I believe, 10% off, so I paid $45, and then I believe there was shipping. I'm not really sure. Oh, maybe it was tax that I paid. So there's like a little booklet, like a magazine, to kind of see what's in your box, is what I'm guessing. I kind of already know what's going to be in the box. Another thing is you can also like pick and choose some of the items that you want in your box as well. And there's a wrapping here with a strawberry sticker, and then this wrapping says Fabfitfun all over, so that's pretty cute. So the first item in this box is this, I think it's like a coin purse. It's like a coin, well, it's more of like a, I think, credit card and your ID. So that's kind of nice when you go out, when you go to downtown or you're going out. It's nice to just kind of like keep only the few stuff that you really need. However, I like to keep stuff with my phone as well. So, but I guess if you're not carrying your phone that night, which you most likely can't nowadays, you gotta have your phone with you all the time, just in case something happens and you're gonna need to call Uber or whatnot. But I guess if you're just carrying your phone in some other way and then you just want to carry your ID, this seems like a good little thing. I mean, it's pretty cute. The second product is the Summer and Rose, and I believe this individual here, I believe she belongs to a company, or her name is Summer Rose. So I believe she is the one that designed this, or did a collaboration. I'm not really quite sure, but yeah, this feels really soft. There was another design which was supposed to be a pineapple. I ended up choosing this one instead, and I believe these are like palm trees. And so the third product is this, called Orlando Pita Play. So ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. Oh, that's nice. I just did a battle of the three, which included 3 heat protectants. The one that won was Kenra Platinum for me, so I'd love to try this new one. Hair can be damaged by heat, UV rays, pollution, and free radicals. Believe me, where I live, there's so much pollution here. I've noticed that ever since I moved to California, and with all this dry heat, I feel like my skin is getting more wrinkles, and I feel like my hair is even more dry than it was before. So the next product is by Coola. It's Classic Face Visage, so blah blah blah, sunscreen, organic sun care, and it's SPF 50, so that's really nice. I've been trying to stick with SPF 50 sunscreen. This is cruelty free, so I'm always looking for a different type of sunscreen, so I'm really excited about this. So far, I really love all the products that I received. The next one is the Jaboneria Marianella, I hate it when I can't pronounce, Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. Hey! So I do remember picking this. There was another item that I could choose, but I decided to pick this one because between this and the other product, this had a higher price point. So even if I wanted to give this in a giveaway, you would have something that's more expensive than the other one. And I felt like this was very luxurious, so I ended up picking this one. The next product is by Tarte, and it's called the Sex Kitten. It's a liquid eyeliner. You know, you can never have too many liquid eyeliners. Ooh, that is really cute. Has a little kitty at the top. Oh, that's really cute. Yeah, that's a really fine point too. So next item is the Tartiest Pro To Go. I love it when products are easy to travel with, so I'm really excited about this. It's always nice when you can have the least amount of product but with the most usage. Next product is Luna FOFO Aquamarine. Oh, I have heard about this too. You know what though, when I did a research on this product before even getting this box, and I've noticed that the review on this wasn't that great. Although I believe out of all the items on this box, this is probably the most expensive item. So it is a facial cleansing brush. I don't know how it works. Ah! My dogs are licking my feet. Okay, it includes a AAA battery for 400 plus uses. Anytime you talk about a battery, you think about certain stuff. So next one is by Pier 1 Imports. And I also know about this too. So I guess you put like your jewelry, your earrings. It does kind of remind me of a coaster though. So I'm sure it doesn't necessarily have to be used to carry jewelry pieces. But it is like a nice little piece to have in the house. I love the color. It's simple. These colors are in right now. So that's really nice. So let me just make sure that I got all the products. Because I feel like I'm missing something. Maybe like... After looking at other people's open box, I feel like I don't have the same amount of stuff. Or, okay, let me just make sure I check this. So, I'm looking at this. Oh, okay, so you can either get the Tarte Pro Glow palette, or you can also get the Tarte Pro Glow palette with the eyeliner. And I believe I ended up getting this set instead. And then with this, I actually chose the beach bag instead of the makeup case. However, I do like Yumi Kim as a brand. I have several shirts and dresses, and they're made of silk, and it's like perfect during the summer because it's really hot over here. And then it says I could have gotten the resistance band, which I would have preferred over this. It says Postscript wallet, so this ID wallet. And then out of these three, I ended up picking the body caviar because I didn't think that I was going to wear this jewelry. This actually contains, looks like it's real freshwater pearls. So I think I will continue this subscription box, even though it's a little bit more pricier. I think you get one each season. So there's 4 seasons, so you get 4 boxes, and each one is $49.99. I feel like all the items are very quality. You know, sometimes with this other subscription boxes, like the one that I had before, which was Lola Beauty Box, I feel like a lot of those were the unknown name brands, and I felt like the price was really hyped up. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will be adding an item from this box. I'm not sure which one. Maybe I'll be adding another item because I have several Ulta boxes that I have been just sitting here and I need to do a film, but I haven't been, so maybe it'll be one of those products. So stay tuned. Hope you guys have a very good day and have a very good night. Bye guys!